A man's mind may be likened to a garden, which may be intelligently cultivated or allowed to run wild. But whether cultivated or neglected, it must and will bring forth. If no useful seeds are put into it, then an abundance of useless weed seeds will fall therein and will continue to produce their kind. Self-control is strength. Right thought is mastery. Calmness is power. The outer conditions of a person's life will always be found to be harmoniously related to his inner state. Men do not attract that which they want, but that which they are. A man is literally what he thinks, his character being the complete sum of all his thoughts. The more tranquil a man becomes, the greater is his success, his influence, his power for good. Calmness of mind is one of the most beautiful jewels of wisdom. Do not dwell upon the sins and mistakes of yesterday so exclusively as to have no energy and mind left for living rightly today. And do not think that the sins of yesterday can prevent you from living purely today. A particular train of thought persisted in, be it good or bad, cannot fail to produce its results on the character and circumstances. A man cannot directly choose his circumstances, but he can choose his thoughts, and so indirectly, yet surely, shape his circumstances. All that a man achieves and all that he fails to achieve is the direct result of his own thoughts. The circumstances which a man encounters with suffering are the result of his own mental inharmony. Whether you be man or woman, you will never do anything in this world without courage. It is the greatest quality of the mind next to honor.